everyone, welcome back to Jolie Knots Crochet. I'm Crystal, and today we're going to be making the Bohemian Floral Star Square. Now this granny square is a remake of one of my first patterns that I put out about 7 years ago. It's my first written pattern, one of my first patterns that I filmed. So this video is definitely in need for an update, and here's the updated version. Now stick around to the end because I will be holding a giveaway, and all the details are at the end, along with how to adjust the sizing of this square. This is the easiest granny square that you are ever going to make. This square consists of only 7 rounds. The sizing on this square that I've made is 5 inches. You can use it to make a blanket. You can use it to make a poncho. I do have a poncho, an open face poncho. I guess you'd call it like a triangle type shawl, but it's totally different. If you know the Juliette hooded pocket shawl, it's kind of similar to that, or maybe even the boho diamond shawl. It's kind of similar to that as far as the shape. So I will go ahead and leave that link in the description box as well if you want to make the poncho. But for now, go ahead and grab your supplies and we'll go ahead and get started. The yarn that I'm going to be using today is the Lions brand True Blue in mauve. Now you can use any yarn that you want with the recommended hook size. It's not going to be a problem. Okay, we are going to start with a slip knot, and we're going to chain 8. And now you're going to slip stitch to your first chain. We're going to chain 1, and then we're going to do 16 single crochets into your ring. Now I'm going to work over my edge. I think that you should work over your edge as well because it's going to leave you the inner circle a little bit neater. 16 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. Once you have your 16 single crochets, you're going to slip stitch to the top of the first single crochet to join. Pull that nice and tight. Now we're going to chain 4. This chain 4 is going to count as your first double crochet and your chain 1. Now we're going to double crochet into the next stitch, and this is your repeat. Chain 1, double crochet into the next stitch. You're going to repeat that all the way around until you get back to your first double crochet, and then I'll show you how to close out this round. Okay, at the end of your second round, you should have 15 double crochets. You should be ending with a chain 1 space, and then you should have 1 chain 4 from the beginning. Now you're gonna go ahead and slip stitch into that chain 4 space to join. And now we're gonna begin round 3. Round 3, we're gonna chain 3, and it's gonna count as a double crochet. And then we're gonna place 2 more double crochets into that same space. So you should have a total of 3 double crochets, including your chain 3. Now we're going to single crochet into the next chain 1 space. This is your repeat. Single crochet into the next chain 1 space, 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space after your single crochet. So that's 3 double crochets into that chain space. And now we're going to chain 3 and 3 double crochets into the same chain space. And then that ends the repeat. So we started out with the chain 3 and 2 additional double crochets. So this counts as 3 double crochets. Single crochet into the next chain space, 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, all into the one after. Okay, now you're going to repeat with a single crochet, and then 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. We're going to go all the way around, all the way until the last space where you can do a single crochet, and then I'll show you how to close out this round. Okay, once you get to the end of that round, your last stitch is going to be a single crochet into your last empty space. And now we're back up to the beginning where we have those 3 double crochets. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put 3 double crochets into that same space where we started. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're gonna end this a little bit differently than you guys would be used to, and there's a method to my madness, so just hang in there with me, okay? Now what we're going to do is chain 1, and we're gonna single crochet to the top of the 3rd chain from the beginning. Instead of slip stitching, we're single crocheting. And what that's going to do is it's going to set us up to work into this space here that is like our faux chain 3 space between each of these petals. So at the end of this round, you should have 8 petals. So now to begin round 4, we should be starting in the middle of the petal where we started our round at. We should have 8 all the way around. And to begin round 4, do not chain 1. Just single crochet into this space that is between our 3 double crochets. So place a single crochet, and now you're going to chain 3. And here's your repeat. We're going to place 3 double crochets into this next petal, chain 3, and 3 double crochets again. So 3 double crochets into your chain 3 space that you already have on the top of the petal. 2, 3, and now chain 3. And now put 3 more double crochets right into that same space. And we're going to chain 3. Single crochet into the next petal, the next chain 3 space in the next petal, and chain 3. And that's the end of your repeat. So 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. Then you're going to do 3 chains, a single crochet into the next petal, and then 3 more chains. And now we're going to start our repeat all over again. 3 double crochets into the next petal, chain 3, 3 double crochets into that same one, and then I will meet you back all the way at the end to show you how to close it out. Okay, I'm at the end of my 4th round. I have 3 chains after my 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. And my next stitch is the single crochet that we started with. I'm going to slip stitch right into that single crochet. I'm going to pull that tight, and now I'm going to chain 2. Now before we start that, let's go over this. You should have 4 corners. Now this is where we have now begun our our shape. This is our square. You should have 4 corners and then 4 single crochets in between. All right, now to begin round 5, you have your chain 2. Now we're going to front post double crochet around this single crochet. Front post double crochet. And now we're going to place 3 double crochets into this chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to place a double crochet into the top of each of the next 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And now we've come to the corner. And our corner is again going to be 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. I'm sorry, it's 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets. And here's our repeat for the side. After your corner, your chain 2 corner, you're going to do 3 double crochets back into that space, okay? Now your repeat is going to start right after that. 3 double crochets, 1 into the top of each double crochet. 3 double crochets into your chain space. Front post double crochet around your single crochet. 3 double crochets into your next chain space. 3 double crochets, 1 on top of each. And then your corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So this entire end plus the corner should be 18 double crochets and 1 front post double crochet. Okay, so do that, and then you're going to repeat it again 1 more time, 2 more times, and then you're going to start here. You'll end with 3 double crochets into this chain space, and then we'll slip stitch to the first front post double crochet to join. Finish that out, and I will meet you right back here to begin round 6. Okay, you guys, we have made it to the end of round 5. There are only 2 rounds to go. Now, if this wasn't easy enough for you, it's going to get even easier. Round 6 is just a fillet row. So what we're going to do, we're starting here in the middle because we've slip stitched to our front post double crochet from the previous round to join. So we're going to move over 1 space. So slip stitch to the next space. And now you are going to chain 1 and place a double crochet into that same space. Now you're going to chain 1. Here's your repeat. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. We're going to do that up to the corner. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Your last double crochet should be the stitch right before your corner. Now in our corner, we're going to chain 1, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. And here's what your work should look like so far. Now here's your repeat for the remainder of the side. You're going to chain 1, double crochet into the first stitch. Chain 1, skip a stitch, double crochet. Chain 1, skip a stitch, double crochet. All the way around. Do your corner exactly like we did this one right here. And then I'm going to meet you right back around on this side. So to start, chain 1, double crochet into your first stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, double crochet into the next. chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, and I'll meet you back at the end of the round. And then we only have one more round left. Okay, I have made it all the way to the end. I have my chain 1, and now I'm gonna slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet to join. And ready for the last row, chain 1, and we're gonna single crochet. Then we're going to single crochet into every stitch all the way around, into your chain spaces and into the top of your double crochets. And this is just going to edge out our square and make it nice and straight. You should have 25 single crochets per side once you're finished. And then 4 chain 2 corners. Now when you get to your corner, all you're gonna do is place one single crochet into your corner space, chain 2, and 1 single crochet. And then you're gonna finish single crochets all the way around, work your corner, single crochet down, work your corner, and then you're gonna finish it out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish it out, and I'm gonna show you the finished completed square. All right, you guys, we have made it to the side, or to the end. I'm sorry, I'm gonna slip stitch to that first single crochet, chain 1, pull it tight, snip off the end, and we are finished. And this is what our beautiful boho square looks like. While I weave my end in, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys how you can alter this square for this size. Now, I've gotten a lot of questions about how you can make it bigger or smaller. Now, because this square is only 7 rounds and only 25 stitches per side, and we're ending in a single crochet, a filet row, and a double crochet row, you really can alter it almost in any which way with any one of those 3 rows. So after your single crochet row, right here at the end, if you want it to be bigger, what I would do is make another double crochet row, another filet row, and then another single crochet row, and essentially just double crochet, filet, single crochet, double crochet, filet, single crochet, and then you add 3 additional rows to it. And then I think, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra stitches on each side, and then it'll be 35 stitches square. If you want it to be smaller, I would not recommend going any smaller than 6 rounds. And what I mean by that is after your double crochet round here from round 5, eliminate round 6 being the filet row and just do a double crochet row. I'm sorry, a single crochet row to end it out if you want a smaller square. Okay, thank you everybody for being here. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here and joining me and creating this Bohemian Floral Star Granny Square. All right, everybody, and don't forget to like and subscribe, share. Now, I am going to hold a giveaway for this exact square. If you want to win this square, leave a comment. Comment to me your favorite pattern or tutorial that I have available on my channel. You must be subscribed. And once this video hits 10,000 views, I will pick a winner and send out this square to you completely for free. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.